Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we are going to look at the difference between two matras, Ankad and Dulankad. There are a couple of points that we are going to discuss. The very first one is the position of the matras. So if I talk about Ankad, Ankad will be at the bottom of the letter. So if this is my letter, okay, Ankad will be at the bottom of the letter. So when it comes to Dulankad, this is my letter. Dulankad will also be at the bottom of the letter, but the difference is in Ankad we will be having only one line, but in Dulankad we will be having two lines. That is the difference between Ankad and Dulankad. Second point that we are going to discuss is the sounds of the matras. The sound of Ankad will be U. Like if we look at the word Urdu, the sound that U, the first U makes, that will be the sound of Ankad, U. And when we talk about Dulankad, the sound of Dulankad will be U. Like if we pronounce this letter, which is U, that U sound that we are having at the end of this U pronunciation, right? That will be the sound of Dulankad. Sound of Ankad will be U. Sound of Dulankad will be U. This is short and this is long. Now look at couple of letters and see how these matras change the sounds of these letters. This is Ankad and this is Dulankad. So these are all Mukta letters. Mukta is a letter to which we have not connected any symbol or matra. Here we are connecting Ankad matra to all these letters. Here we are connecting the Dulankad matra. Now let's see the different pronunciations that these letters will be having without matra and with matra. Kakka is going to give the sound of Ka. Kakka and Ankad, Ku. Kakka, Dulankad, Ku. Ta, Tu, Tu. Pa, Pu, Pu. Gagga, Gu, Gu. Chacha, Chu, Chu. So these are the different sounds that we are going to get if we connect Ankad and Dulankad to these letters. Last point is about the sound of these matras. How we can represent that in Gurmukhi. The sound of Ankad can be represented with Uda and then Ankad, U. And the sound of Dulankad can be represented with Uda and then Dulankad, U, U, U. So this is all about the difference between Ankad and Dulankad. If you have any questions related to this, please let me know in the comment section below. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.